This is the ZOORON Cooling Sun Hat in black. We're a repeat buyer of these hats. Our whole family uses them for outdoor activities. We use them from boating, going to the beach, hiking, outdoor stuff. If I'm cutting the grass, I'm going to use it. Just a really nice hat overall. Very pleased with this. I previously had a Columbia hat, and I'm very happy with this one. It's got the drawstring here for underneath your chin. It's got this adjustment up here. And basically, this is a one-size-fits-all and a unisex hat. So men, women, kids could fit in this pretty much. No issues with it at all. Very happy with it. You can see here where the fold is. This one is new recently out of the packaging here. So you could see just folds in half like this. You could do another fold. So you could fold this up really small. You could pretty much put it in your back pocket. Pretty much put it wherever you want to store it, and it's just going to go back to its natural shape when you're wearing it. So overall, very happy with these hats. Again, we're all using them. It's got like the SPF 50 blocking for the sun, so it's exactly what we were looking for.